Hello everyone, welcome to PDF Maker. In this video, we'll show you how to connect PDF Maker with HubSpot to automatically generate PDFs from your HubSpot submission or contact data. In order to connect PDF Maker with HubSpot, you'll have to go to your PDF Maker dashboard and click onto the settings section. Under that, you will be able to find HubSpot and click on Connect HubSpot. Choose the desired account you want here and confirm your connection. When you check again over here, you'll be able to see the HubSpot account has been successfully connected. Now we'll go to our HubSpot account and see how to connect PDF Maker within HubSpot. So this is my HubSpot account and I'll go to the CRM section. Under this, I'll be able to find deals, contacts, companies, etc. Right now, I'll use deals. But you can use the same process within contacts as well. So under the deal section, I'll be choosing the desired deal where I want to generate the PDF. And when I scroll down towards the right hand side, I'll be able to see all the apps that are connected to HubSpot. So here we'll be able to see the PDF Maker app has been successfully connected. And I'll click on to the template section from Manage. And I've been redirected to the PDF Maker dashboard. Under this, I'll be creating a new template now. I'll give a template name and I'll select HubSpot as my data source. Under the object type, I'll be selecting deals because I've selected deals inside my HubSpot dashboard. If I had selected contacts over there, here I can select contacts. So now we've been redirected to a blank PDF Maker editor. Here you can add all the relevant content that you want within your generated PDF. So right now I have created the document that I want with all the relevant content. So here I can add the placeholders in these blank spaces so that these data will be automatically populated from the HubSpot data. Towards the right hand side, you will be able to see the placeholder section. Here we have text, images and table placeholders, and the HubSpot fields are already displayed over here. You can just copy the relevant field that you want and just paste wherever you want it to be placed. So I'll copy deal amount and paste it here. Just do the same process for all the other fields. So in case if you're not finding the desired field that you want in this particular list, you can always go to the settings and manage your fields. Just click onto the settings and you will be able to see this pop-up called Manage HubSpot Fields. And you can click onto the deals option to see all the other fields that are hidden. You can select any field that you want, or you can also deselect the fields that are already present, and you can click save. So now the field that you added will be displayed in this particular list. Likewise, you can add any other fields that you want to be added in this particular generated PDF. So I have added all the necessary placeholders in my template and I'm clicking save. So now that we have created this template, we'll go back again to our HubSpot dashboard and we'll do the next step. And then we'll do the next step. We'll select a template to run from the actions list below. So when I click onto the action section, I can see the template that we just created. So I'm selecting this particular template and you'll be able to see this pop-up called PDF generation in progress. So just wait for a few seconds until your PDF is generated. So after a few seconds, you'll be able to see the PDF has been generated successfully. And I can see the PDF output over here. When I click onto this particular link, I'll be able to see the PDF. So when we scroll down, you will be able to see the placeholders that we added has been automatically populated with the data in HubSpot. So we added 4 fields: the deal name, the deal amount, the name of the owner, and the date and time in which this particular deal was created. Once your PDF is generated, you can always manage it from the template section. Just click onto the template section and you will be redirected to the PDF templates dashboard. And you can click onto the actions button and click on run history and you will be able to see all the PDFs generated for this particular deal. And that's it. You have successfully integrated PDF Maker with HubSpot. If you have any questions, drop a comment below or visit our help center. Thank you.